Imagine waking up to an email that costs 10,000 people their jobs. That's exactly what happened at 6am, sparking a massive AI-driven layoff wave. Here's what you need to know right now. On April 16, 2026, a billionaire's early morning email sent shockwaves through the tech industry. This single message initiated layoffs that eliminated 10,000 positions, marking one of the largest AI-driven job cuts to date. Companies are rapidly adopting AI tools, making vast parts of their workforce redundant almost overnight. This shift is not isolated, but part of a spiraling trend of AI-related layoffs across multiple sectors. The layoffs hit tech employees hardest, especially those in roles that AI can now replace or automate. Support staff, data analysts, and mid-level managers are seeing the sharpest declines. The billionaire's email reportedly instructed rapid restructuring to leverage AI efficiencies, leaving many skilled workers suddenly without jobs. This raises urgent questions about job security in an AI-dominant future. The timing of the email was strategic, sent at 6am to ensure the workforce and management received the directive before the market opened. This gave no time for preparation or negotiation, emphasizing the urgency and decisiveness behind the move. The message reportedly outlined AI-driven operational shifts designed to cut costs and boost competitiveness, underscoring the ruthless pace of AI adoption. With 10,000 jobs lost in one morning, displaced workers now face a tough job market. Reskilling and transitioning to AI-proof roles will be critical. Industry experts suggest increased demand in AI oversight, ethical AI, and creative fields, but the shift is abrupt. Governments and companies must consider support systems to manage this workforce upheaval effectively. Following the email, many companies accelerated AI adoption to reduce costs and outpace competitors. This wave of layoffs is part of a broader strategy to automate repetitive tasks and optimize operations. However, this also increases pressure on remaining staff to adapt quickly to new AI tools, transforming workplace dynamics overnight. The billionaire's 6am email is a stark wake-up call. AI is not just a future threat, but a current reality transforming employment. Whether you work directly in tech or in related sectors, understanding AI's impact and preparing for change is urgent. Stay informed, invest in adaptable skills, and consider how AI might affect your job to stay ahead in this rapidly evolving landscape. This dramatic email and resulting layoffs highlight how AI is accelerating job market changes at breakneck speed. For you, it means job security is more fragile than ever. Adaptability and staying informed are your best defenses. Subscribe now for daily updates to navigate this AI-driven future with confidence.